I'm going to take down my hair, go wash it off camera, then wear my hair for the rest of the day to see how I feel about it. Basically. Hi! Long time no talk through video. I know these audio sucks, but I'm going to continue the rest part of this video with a voiceover. Today, I'm going to try to take down my hair and I'm going to wash, which I will do off camera because I just showed you guys not quite long ago a routine on how I wash my hair and all of that. Today, I'm going to take down my hair, go wash it off camera, then wear my hair for the rest of the day to see how I feel about it. Basically. So let's get started. So I actually started by showing you guys what my hair looks like. This cornrow has been maybe more than 2 weeks if I'm not mistaken. And you guys, that's my gray hair. One of my one of my gray hair. When I saw this one, I laughed. I'm like, girl, a girl is getting older. No joke, you guys. A girl is getting older. Why? And that's not just the only place. So, if I had gone ahead to show you guys more places I have gray hair. Now go call me old woman. But anyways, I went ahead and took off the cornrow off camera to save time, and this is what my hair looks like. I don't know, my front hair is disappearing like crazy. So I took myself into the bathroom, washed the hair, and this is what it looks like right now. As you can tell, my hair is still wet or damp. Yeah, and now you can actually work with it because it is really soft now and easy to manipulate. I went ahead and added this hair cream by So Fine. This hair cream has this soothing feeling to it, which I really like. That really makes me relax whenever I apply it on my hair. Yeah, so you see me express that in few seconds. Okay, so I make sure the cream is well saturated all over my, yeah, this was when I was saying, yeah, it's so soothing. But anyways, I make sure the hair is where the cream is well saturated all over my hair, down to my scalp as much as possible. So before I put my hair into my mini puff, mini puff, so I had to use my braiding gel to kind of smoothen the edges and the back as well, so it lays fine. You get, so that's basically what I'm doing right here. So by the time I am satisfied with how it looks like this, I'm going to grab this string. I don't know, whenever I find a string like this, I save them because I know they are going to come in handy, you understand. So I just use that to kind of push my hair into a semi puff. Yeah, of course. I love this hairstyle and I love it for me, especially when my hair gets to this stage. Hopefully, it grows more than this so I can, continue to wear my hair like this as much as possible. I mean, as often as possible. You get, so once I was done with that, I just tried to kind of fluff the hair out and give it some volumes with my fingers. And you guys, see, if I tell you the way I love this hairstyle, the way it turned out, the way it framed my face, I was like, yes, this is the style for me. Honestly, I rocked this hair the whole day and I was satisfied. I was pleased. I was happy I did. I did I did it. So this is it, you guys. So I went ahead and did my makeup looking fly. Yes, why not? Like I mentioned before, I really, really, really love this. So I'm gonna be posting this on all my social platforms. So do where to engage. And this is basically it, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, you guys stay beautiful and be blessed. Bye y'all. Mwah.